I think that one thing people need to be aware of is when you're working with professionals, that you work with legal professionals who are licensed and who are not salespeople. I have had people come to me who thought that, oh, well, this company I hired, they have a 99% approval, but you need to be working with a law firm.
Yeah, you hear that a lot.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the reason I say you want to work with a law firm is because then you know that there's accountability. When you give funds over for them to do your petition, or something goes wrong with your petition, you have accountability knowing that the law firm will be with you to guide you to when issues come up. A consulting company, they are not licensed. They don't really need accountability because they could close shop tomorrow and be gone, right?
Right.
And how are you going to find them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to say, oh, well, it was John Smith. Well, he doesn't have a license and he was just a salesman.
A question I have for you. A lot of people have, let's say, a consulting business immigration, and they put themselves in there like they know the law and they're going to sell you green card, right? And they're not licensed to do that, right? They not have the expertise to, once you come to the a person is going to look your case and say, oh, I need a RFE.
RFE, a request for evidence?
Yes, and then they like going crazy because they don't know what they're doing, right? It's...
Yeah, and appearances can be very deceiving.
Yes.
They may say all the right things and they may have all the knowledge and talk about, well, 99% of our clients get approved. Well, who determines that approval rate? Mm-hmm. And if you're the 1%, it's still the same for you, right?
Right.
What I would like to share with the public is that you should be talking to the attorney who is handling your case.
Mm-hmm.
And if there's a consulting company involved, why do I have to have the consulting company?
Mm-hmm.
My attorney is handling it, and whatever documentation that you may need, you and the attorney can decide what's needed and go forward from there.
Right.
So that if you need to hire third-party companies to do translations or expert opinion letter or academic evaluation, there are companies that specialize in that. So what exactly is the consulting company doing for you? And if they're the ones referring the attorney, I think you have to ask yourself, why do I need a consulting company to refer me to an attorney? Why can't I talk directly to the attorney?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's important to have that transparency to say, okay, Chris Lee's my attorney, and I want to be talking to Chris Lee because she's the one handling my immigration benefit. She's the one who is coming up with the strategy for my petition, and she's my attorney. So
Right.
I should have a right to speak to my attorney, Chris Lee.
Mm-hmm.
And so then I think when you start thinking like that, you realize the consulting company may just be a middleman who may be brokering a commission for themselves when you don't need to do that. Individuals have the right to go and work directly with the attorney, and you should. And you should know who your attorney is. They should not just be some name on a piece of paper.
Right.
You should demand to speak to the attorney and work with the attorney.